Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll guide you through opening a Tabby account in the UAE. It's quick, easy, and gets you shopping in minutes. First, download the Tabby app from the App Store or Google Play Store, or visit tabby.ai on your browser. Next, tap Sign Up and enter your mobile number. You'll receive an OTP code for verification. Enter this to proceed. Then, provide your email address and create a secure password for your account. Make sure to use an email you have access to. After that, complete your profile by entering your personal details, including your name and date of birth. You'll need your Emirates ID ready for the verification process. Follow the in-app instructions to scan your Emirates ID. Tabby will verify your identity, which usually happens within minutes. Once verified, your Tabby account is active. You can immediately see your spending limit and start shopping with Tabby at partner stores. If this tutorial got your Tabby account set up, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.